Honestly, I did such a horrible job. Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shelby, aka Simply Shelby. Welcome back. Today, y'all, we are gonna be doing my nails. So my nails they're kind of crusty right now, so I'm not gonna show you them, but we are gonna be doing my nails. So Nail Addict, who is an LA-based company, was kind enough to send me a little box of goodies. I have some gel nails, which is kind of their like specialty, gel nail polish, and we're gonna test it out. I would never really do my nails at home, so this is really exciting. They really are about being transparent, and they really want to empower both men and women just to feel more confident about themselves, which I think is such a great message. They are a vegan, cruelty-free, and 9-free company, which if you want to look more into that, you can always check out their website and read more about that there. But yeah, they were kind enough to send me a little box of goodies, so we're gonna test out the nail polishes today, see how they work out. Now this is kind of a trial and error. I've never done my own gel nails at home, and I really suck at painting my nails. Comment down below if you really suck at painting your nails, but I'm hoping that this kind of forces me to paint my nails more and, you know, be more creative with it. So thank you so much to Nail Addict LA for sending me this box of goodies. We're just gonna paint my nails and get on with the video. And if you want to save 45% off of your purchase, if you do like how the colors look or want to try out gel nails, you can save 45% off by using my code Shelby at checkout, and I will also link that down below. So if you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. Give this video a big old like if you're feeling the vibe, and turn on the post notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let's get into it. Let's get this show on the road. So I've never done my nails like this by myself. Like I said, I barely even paint my nails. So, you know, we're gonna try it out. But yeah, we got a lot of cute colors here. I'm really excited to try. And if this works out, like, this will be great, because I've been doing press-on nails, but I also feel like they make my nails look crusty. If you can see, yeah, I don't really want to show you, but my nails should be crusty and should be fake, and I'd be using press-on nails all the time. So if these gel nails work out, trial and error, like I said, I'm a beginner, so don't expect them to be perfect. But yeah, we are gonna paint the nails, and you know, I think I might do the coral shade because it's like the cutest, but I'll probably just swatch the rest on, like, I'll try to find, we'll just use this paper to swatch them. But yeah, we're just gonna follow the directions. I have the directions on the sign because I've never done this by myself, so like, yay for the gels. So yeah, it says first kind of prep your nails. So I already kind of buffed them to get use a little alcohol wipe to get rid of any dirt. So I'm gonna use this little wipe that I have as well. And then you want to use a thick layer of hand cream on the cuticles, and then clean off the extra lotion with cotton bud, or just like clean them off. So we're just gonna put some lotion on my hands, get them nice and prepped. You know, I feel like it's like with makeup, you want to just prep it, make sure it looks good. And yeah, have you ever done your own gel nails at home? Comment down below if you have. But like, I'm really excited because gel nails do last, but you have to go to the salon, and it's like at least 20 bucks, you know, average. So this definitely saves you a lot. So then what we're gonna do first, it says apply the base coat and cure. And then to cure it, we have this little LED lamp, which if you press once, it's 45 seconds, and then 60 seconds, and then you turn it off. But yeah, we're just gonna do the base coat first and cure. So I'm just gonna paint the base coat. Oh, my nails, they're slippery now from the lotion. I'm just gonna paint the base coat, kind of run through it, and then we'll go on with the color. So let's just paint the base coat first and cure. Okay, so we finished curing the base coat, which you want to make sure to use the base coat to make sure you get like the long-lasting effects of your product. So we cured the base coat, and now it says paint thin layer of your color and cure. So it says it's preferable to paint 3 like thin layers of your color and then cure it. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use this coral-y shade. Text me later, but yeah, we're gonna use this thin coral shade, and we're just gonna cure it. I think the packaging is cute. I like these little like tops. I don't know They're just kind of cute. So we are just gonna do text me later, and before I put it on my nail, ooh, is she thick? I'm gonna just do little swatches. So that's text me later. Just gonna swatch all of the colors really quick for y'all to just kind of see before I actually paint my nails. But yeah, and I really suck at painting my nails, so don't come for me. Like I've always had an issue painting my nails, and my nails are really short now, as you saw. So then we have this like vanilla creamy shade, My BF Loves Me. We're just gonna put that right next door. And then we got Mistress, she cute, she cute. Ooh, these are really thick. I guess, I don't know, I haven't painted my nails in a long time, like I said, so I don't really know what to expect, but so far, so good. Then we got this Wonderland. So here are the little shades up close and personal. Very, very cute. So we got Text Me Later, we got My BF Loves Me, we got Mistress, and then we got Wonderland. So today I'm gonna use the Text Me Later because I just think coral will be cute for spring and summer. So let's use that shade. And yeah, we're just gonna do the thin layer. I'm probably gonna run through it like I did with the base coat. I'll move the camera so that way you can see. But yeah, if you can see, I'm just curing it under the light, and we're just gonna let it sit. The button itself will set for 45 seconds or 60 seconds. First click is 45 seconds. So we're just gonna let her cure under there. Don't mind any mess around it, but yeah. We're just letting her cure and, you know, go on with our merry way. Okay, we are at the end. Here are the nails. She's a cute corally color. I don't want to show you guys too close because honestly, I did such a horrible job. But the nail color is very, very nice. I'm gonna give props to the nail color, not to me. Yeah, these are it. It's like one of those like, I'll only show you from afar. But no, I can tell they're cured. And they definitely seem solid. So if you're really good at painting your nails, I think you'll do like a great job. But they definitely seem cured and everything like that. So that's good. I did use the nail LED light and cured them and everything like that. So these are the nails. Yay! But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. She's, you know, she's kind of all over the place. She's not a nail artist or anything like that. But if you are a nail artist, these products are gonna be perfect for you. So yeah, Nail Addict LA, based in LA. I think that's really awesome, you know, to support like LA based brands or like US based brands and things like that. So yeah, we got Wonderland, which is a cute green. We got My BF Loves Me. We got the base coat, top coat, and we use Text Me Later. And then here's Mistress as well. So a lot of awesome colors that they have. Check them out. Again, if you use the code Shelby, you'll save 45% off your purchase. They do sell LED lights on their website as well. If you need one of those, you can get it from there. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really fun to do. First time doing like a nail type of review on my channel. Props to Nail Addict for having such great nail polish colors and things like that. Just, I'm not the artist behind these nails, so don't judge me, but if you're good at nails, definitely, I think it's very affordable and these nail polishes will last you. So yeah, if you like this video, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel, join my Shell Squad. It would mean so much to me. Give this video a thumbs up if you felt the vibe, turn on post notification bell, that way you get notified every time I upload a new video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!